Welcome to the Brothers Workshop. Today we got tow mirrors for 2014 to 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. So, there's a lot of videos out there that talk about Silverado tow mirrors. There's a lot of options, but these are the 2015 and up High Country Edition. But they're not made by Chevy. So that's the thing here. Chevy, you're looking at like $700 for tow mirrors, whereas there's other aftermarket guys that are charging, I believe the lowest is $220, unless you have a different year, But this here is going to run you about $200. They're from Syppo. Syppo, apparently, from my research, is one of the best out there. There's a lot of videos, and my trouble was the reason I want to bring this to you guys' attention is most videos don't say who, what, when, and where. What's the brand you got? Are they any good? I don't know. So we'll do another video later showing you how they act, how they react, and if they're any good. But right now we're going to do the unboxing. UPS just dropped it off. I'm excited to see where this goes, so let's check it out. Alright guys, so here it is. Why don't you come over here and take a look. Got a little bit more tape to pull off this guy. Got to be careful, I don't know what's underneath there. But at this point I'm just too excited. Alright. Alright. The suspense is killing me here. Just what I thought. We got the, there she is. We'll get her installed and we'll let you guys know how she looks as soon as we're done. How she works out. Can't wait to get it done. Hey, listen, the one thing about these tow mirrors that's great, it's going to have your power, your heated mirrors, which means, let me turn it around here for you. These guys here are going to be powered. All this stuff here. This right here is not going to be powered. This is going to be manual. Right back here we got a backup light, and then on the back side here we got ourselves the marker light. So and then there's a turn signal inside the mirror glass there. So, like I said again, I got them from Syppo. There's a few others out there. The Syppos run about $200. They're comparable to the eBay ones you'll see. The eBay ones, though, they don't, from my research anyways, don't sell who the seller or the maker is. Or they don't tell you who the seller or maker is. I wasn't 100% on that because I'd like to know who I'm buying from. Now, there's another brand, another brand out there. I can't remember off the top of my head. They're a little different. They're not factory exact. They're not exactly what Chevy makes. I wasn't a big fan of that. There was something with the turn signal that was a little different. But they were also about $400, where these are two. They feel good. I mean, I don't got any complaints right now. They feel sturdy. They're strong. They got some weight to them. But we'll get them hooked up and we'll let you know what's going on.